Hello! In this video on portable PIXMA, I will demonstrate advanced and useful settings. I will demonstrate the following in this video. My printer has been already connected to my Wi-Fi network and registered into the Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app. And you can find videos about this printer by clicking the upper right corner of the screen. I have logged into the Utilities and Settings menu of this printer as an administrator. You can access the printer utilities via this screen. If you are a Windows user, you can find the maintenance and utilities for your printer via the Windows driver. When you print a nozzle check pattern, you get the counter value. You get information about the total pages printed. If you are using more TR150 printers, you can avoid having more copies of the same driver by setting the following. You can set to use the generic USB serial number to avoid multiplying the drivers of the same printer model. This was about the PIXMA TR150 advanced and useful settings. and you can find more about your printer by getting into the online manual, the section Getting the Most Out of Your Printer. As this is portable printer, you will find Print While Away from Home. I recommend reading this part of the manuals, but you can find more information about this printer also in my videos by clicking the right upper corner of the screen, where you will find my playlist about the PIXMA portable printers. And you're also welcome to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so you will be notified about my future uploads. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye. What is the status of my printer?
The printer's cover is open. Please close the cover. You still have enough ink of each color.